watch, revise and take test. 75 cross 75 exclusive current affairs crash course targeting 2024 prelims. So in this crash course, it's not just about current affairs, where I will be discussing current affairs and current affairs linked static areas, and particularly I will emphasize more on the economic concepts as well. Do you know, in the last 5 years, on an average 55 plus questions are coming from the current affairs and current affairs linked static areas. Friends, I have made a strategy playlist where I am adding videos on how to approach this current affairs and current affairs based static areas. See, if you are looking for a self preparation strategy, that video series is for you. Immediately watch all the videos. But if you are looking for some support, sir, I am a working professional, I am a fresher, or I am a repeater, but I need some support. So this 75 cross 75 program is for you. So what we will do, every day we are going to give you videos. Starting from 14th February for 75 days, I'll be giving you videos. Every day 8 p.m. I'll give you a video, watch it. Followed by that, I will give you a material which you have to revise. Followed by that, I will be giving you a multiple choice question test that you can take it. Watch the video, revise the material, take test. Do this for next 75 days starting from 14th February. Right? So with which you can tackle current affairs and current affairs based static area as well. The course starts from 14th of February. So more information about the course, I have given the announcement video link in the description. I have also given the brochure in the description which you can download and you can know more about it. So if you want to directly contact me and discuss about the strategy for tackling current affairs, yes, you can reach me by calling to the number given in the brochure. Right? So I will see you in the program. Till then, bye. Take care.